start the progressive dictation in 5 seconds.
Ready, start. True to this vision for the historic structural reform, the goods and service tax has been gradually maturing into a tax that has integrated the country economically. It has consolidated numerous taxes and cesses to one tax and facilitated formalization of economy. It has resulted in the efficiency gains in logistic and transport sectors. The turnaround time for trucks has witnessed a substantial reduction to the tune of 20% due to abolition of checkposts in GST. The dreaded Inspector Raj has also vanished. It has also led to significant benefits to MSME by way of enhanced threshold and composition limits. The effective tax incidence on almost every commodity came down substantially. Through several rate reductions, an annual benefit of rupees 1 lakh crore has been extended to consumers. It amounts to 10% reduction in overall tax incidence. An average household now saves about 4% on its monthly spends on account of reduced GST rates. During this phase of maturing, GST did face certain challenges. This was natural as transition was effecting. GST Council has been proactive in resolving issues during transition. In the last 2 years, we have added more than 60 lakh new taxpayers. A total of about 40 crore returns were filed, 800 crore invoices were uploaded, and 105 crore e-way bills were generated. There has been extensive engagement with stakeholders. A simplified new return system is being introduced from April 1, 2020. A former Prime Minister had once voiced a concern that the fruits of the welfare schemes were not reaching the intended citizens. The common and deserving citizen was only receiving 50 paisa of every rupee sent from him. Guided by Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, our government and our Prime Minister added many-fold speed and scaled up the implementation of schemes and programs that directly benefited the poor and the disadvantaged. I wish to list out only a few as examples. 1. Welfare schemes with direct benefit transfer embedded in them. 2. Sanitation and water as provision of basic needs and as a measure of preventive health care. 3. Healthcare through Ayushman Bharat. 4. Clean energy through Ujjwala and solar power. 5. Financial inclusion, credit support, insurance protection to vulnerable sections and pension scheme. 6. Digital penetration with broadband and UPI. And 7. Affordable housing for all through PMAY. The milestones achieved were unprecedented, globally recognized, and benchmarked against international indices. This strategy changed the established order of a few individuals concerning most of the benefits and was appreciated by the people. Stop.